This guided meditation for sleep relaxation will help you fall into a deep, restful sleep. Begin by lying on your back with your hands on your thighs or at your sides. You can change positions anytime you need in order to be more comfortable, but start by lying on your back for now. Mentally scan your body for areas of tension. Make a note of how your body feels. During this deep relaxation session, you will focus on releasing any tension in your body and on quietening your mind. Once the mind is calm and peaceful, you will easily drift into a pleasant, restful sleep. Breathe in, drawing in life-giving air and relaxation. Exhale slowly, expelling any tension. You might have thoughts about things you did today or things you need to do tomorrow. Perhaps you are worried about something or someone. Now is the time to clear your mind for sleep. So tomorrow you will be refreshed and strong and can handle your duties and roles. Now take a few minutes to do the thinking you need to do before you sleep. Focus now on anything you need or want to think about before you sleep. For the next 2 minutes, do any worrying or thinking you decide to do. Now it is time to clear your mind for sleep. There is nothing else you need to be doing at this moment. Nothing you need to be thinking about, except having calm, relaxed thoughts. Take a moment to notice how your body feels right now. Where in your body is today's tension stored? Focus your attention on the part of your body that feels most tense. Focus in on one small area of tension. Breathe in deeply and then let that tension go as your breath and breathing out with a sigh. Breathe in deeply and then let that tension go as you breathe out with a sigh. Notice where your body feels more relaxed. Notice where it feels most relaxed. Let that feeling of relaxation grow with each breath, spreading further and further the feeling of relaxation. Feel your attention drifting as you become sleepy and calm. For the next few moments, you can choose to focus on counting and become more relaxed as each number passes through your mind. Concentrate your attention on number 1. As you count from 1 to 10, you'll feel more deeply relaxed. As you relax, you can allow your mind to drift into pleasant, refreshing sleep. Count slowly with me. 1, focusing on the number 1. 2, you are more deeply relaxed, deeper and deeper, calm, peaceful. 3, feel the tension leaving your body, relaxation filling your body and mind. Concentrating just on the numbers. Picture in your mind number 4, very relaxed, calm, tingly feeling of relaxation in your arms and legs, very heavy, pleasant and relaxed. Concentrating on number 5 as you drift deeper and deeper, calm, sleep washing over you, letting go. 6, you feel deeply relaxed, deeply relaxed. 7, your body and mind are very calm. 8, so very pleasant and heavy. 9, allowing your mind to drift easily. No direction, floating, relaxing. 10, you are deeply relaxed, deeply relaxed. Now you may count back from 10 to 1. When you reach 1, you'll be fully relaxed and drift into deep sleep. Slowly count in your own time as I continue to talk. Focus only on the numbers while I describe the relaxation experience. Start now at 10 and very slowly focus on 9 and keep going on your own. As you become deeply relaxed, warm, heavy, peaceful, comfortable, sleep, relaxation, pleasant and calm, drifting, accepting, confident, nurturing, sleep relaxation, quiet, allowing